Drop it.
We did it, guys. Check that stuff out.
Alright, you guys, absolutely awesome after work hunt. I got it all on GoPro. It was the longest stalk I think I've ever had on any duck. Look at this, we got 3 hens, and then we got just an absolute stud of a drake, common goldeneye. There was 10 of them, there was 5 drakes, 5 hens, and I put a stalk on them. There was joggers on the bike path and dog walkers, and so I have to wait for those people to pass. So I was hunting safe and politely for those who do not hunt in this area. Waited and waited, let people go by. The birds swam downstream a little ways. Like 5 minutes before I shot them, they bumped up. I thought they were going to fly past me like they did when I shot. And it turns out they set back down, went back down river. 6 minutes before shooting light ended, they flushed back up river again. You guys saw on the video. Just absolutely awesome. This is amazing. I could not have asked for anything better. Just check out that stud. Look at that. I wish the color was better. It's raining right now, so it's overcast and it's right at sunset, but the green on him is absolutely impeccable. So no bands. I didn't want to say something. No bands, but still just absolutely unbelievable. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I know I tend to end the videos with this, but thank you, thank you, thank you. Make sure to subscribe if you have not already. So the season's pretty much over for us, but definitely going to be doing some fishing this summer with my son, and then we always got next year. So also make sure if you are already subscribed, or once you subscribe, hit that little notification symbol. That way you can see more of this, more of Sac Refuge and everything else, and you're notified when I post it. So take care, you guys. God bless. Have a good rest of your hunting season.